Right click tools is great feature in SCCM and it can help to ease your day-to-day SCCM or patching tasks. So stay tuned in this video and you will definitely learn an amazing feature of SCCM. In the SCCM console, navigate to Community, then Community Hub, and you can search for right click tools. Select Recast Right Click Tools approved by Microsoft and there will be a download button. You can click on the download as shown in the picture. Once you create on the download button, then SCCM fetches content from the GIT hub and creates corresponding SCCM objects in the console. After this, the new console extension called as right click tools will be available in the given path. You just need to approve the installation of the new console extension. You can right click on the new extension and just click on approve installation. Select yes on the message box pop-up. Are you sure you want to approve the selected console extension for installation? You can also enable the notification for new right click tools extension. This helps notify all admins about the availability of new console extension called as right click tools. Steps of enabling the notification are marked in sequence. You can see in the picture. Now let's install the SCCM right click tools once the console extension is approved for installation. So in the SCCM console you need to navigate to administration, overview, updates and servicing and then console extensions. You need to ensure that the right click tools extension is approved and enabled. Click on the install button as shown in the picture to start the installation. For next message pop-up, click on OK. You will have to make sure all other console instances are closed if you are doing or installing right click tools on a primary server or any terminal server. Click on the close button to restart the configuration manager console. You have to get free license for the free SCCM right click tools. You need to register at the Recast software website for the free community license. Then click on the finish button to start using the tool. Now you will see new right click options in the admin console. Now for an example, I would take just you need to navigate to assets and compliance, then devices. Then you have to select one device and then you will have to select right click tools. Then you can see many options are available. So remotely you can perform many actions on a device. So that is the main feature and benefit of using right click tools. I mean to say that you do not need to log into any device. Rather, you can initiate many actions as provided by right click tools to troubleshoot any of the issues on any device. So this is really a great feature provided by SCCM. So when you will click on the right click tools and any actions, you will get a login page to validate the Recast community license. Once you get successfully logged in and the license gets verified, then you will get this pop-up. You need to just close. Thank you for watching this video. For more such technical videos, you can subscribe my channel. If you have any doubt or suggestions or queries, you can just email me on the email ID shown in the card, and you can also put your comments. I would definitely respond to those. So let's meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Take care.